Welcome, welcome, one and all. My name is Ben Bowler from Unity Earth, and welcome to this day two of the Unity Earth Symposium. Our next speaker is the extraordinary Miss Audrey Kitagawa. Audrey is the founder and president of the International Academy for Multicultural Cooperation, president of the Light of Awareness International Spiritual Family, and the chair of the Anti-Racism Initiative, co-chair of the Gender Equality Working Group of the G20 Interfaith Forum, a UN representative for the United Religions Initiative, and ambassador of Religions for Peace International. Audrey, it's so wonderful to have you back on the Unity Earth Symposium, and we look forward to hearing your visions for a new Earth.
Thank you so much, Ben, and hello everyone from New York City. I really wish to express my deepest appreciation to be with all of you today and to have this opportunity and privilege to listen to and to share our respective visions for a new Earth. And we come from all walks of life, from all countries, and there are now 8 billion people facing unprecedented global challenges. And this is the first time in our history that there are this many people living on Earth. With this many people, we have hurled ourselves into the Anthropocene age in which humans have become central drivers of planetary change, and we have radically altered the Earth's biosphere. Every day, we are experiencing the effects of the changes we created on Earth's biosphere. And more than ever, we are inextricably connected to each other and the planet, and human actions have driven us to our current situation, and human actions must steer us to enlightened solutions. We are standing within the field of infinite possibilities of our individual and collective potentiality. And what we do today and every day of our lives becomes the trajectory of our future that in turn will become our legacy. A vision for a new Earth must go hand in hand with a vision for a new humanity, a global community of humans who will plant and harvest the fruits of peace, nonviolence, love, and kindness. A global community of humans who have remembered our sacred connection to the divine source, from whence we all came and to where we will all return and exist together at all times within. And we must understand the importance of honoring our sacred relationship with the earth that is home to our human family and all of life. This global community will understand the importance of moving with wisdom, a wisdom based on the full development of our spiritual lives, our ethics, our moral compass, and of our hearts to love. Our spiritual development means that we are willing to grow in self-awareness and be in relationship to ourselves that demonstrates we have identified what gives our life meaning and purpose. Self-awareness helps us to identify what gives us hope, resilience, and comfort. The development of our spiritual selves help us to get off narrow stands of intolerance and perspectives and moves us to understanding and being present for others with a listening ear and being that presence of kindness to hear what is truly being shared. The development of our spiritual lives is to expand our awareness and educate ourselves with different ethnic, racial, cultural, and religious groups so we can grow our knowledge about who lives with us as our neighbor in our common home. Our visions for a new earth will speak of our ability to cooperate with each other and bring about the awakening of the global giant of civil society becoming one of the primary agents of transformation of humanity. And this is why I really celebrate the opportunity for all of us to be together. And I do thank you so much, Ben, for creating this venue and this platform for all of us to be that expression and modeling coming together as a human family of civil society agents. I had a wonderful friend named Hans Peter Duer, may he rest in peace, who was a nuclear and quantum physicist. He went all around the world speaking about the importance of cooperation. Cooperation, cooperation, cooperation was his mantra. He spoke about how in the unseen world, the bosons and the photons all work cooperatively together to help sustain the universe. In the same vein, he felt that it was most important for people to be able to understand the importance of cooperating with each other. Ben began this conversation with reference to Lord Buddha and from Isaiah, the Old Testament. And David Rosen shared about his own faith tradition and to celebrate our diversity of the divine in our world, which together can contribute to the familiarity with the divine in the world. And what our faith traditions do is set the universal truths to guide us and to deal with our egoic selves and to move to the higher consciousness that is that unitive consciousness where we transcend the illusion of our separation from each other. Rabbi Rosen also shared about Shalei, which is the whole, the spiritual cosmos in which we live. He is articulating the truth of this oneness. Sri Chinmoy said, let us not worry about the future. Let us only do the right thing today at this moment, here and now. And if we do the right thing now, there is a certitude that the future will take care of itself because of all the right actions taken by each of us and collectively moving toward the fulfillment of our purpose in life, that which gives us meaning, and that is to awaken to our true purpose, and that is to realize the divine presence within ourselves and without as the infinite manifestation of all that is creation. And to realize that our relationship with the divine is a sacred relationship. And that relationship is an expression through all of the multitude of the manifestation of the creative genius of the divine that paints a picture every day of the beautiful rising sun and of the beautiful setting sun and of all the infinite flowers and the abundance of the trees and the birds and the bees and all of the different colors of human beings. There is such genius that exists within and all around us. And may we move with gratitude and appreciation for the fantastic life that we have. And when we move with this gratitude, which I shared about yesterday as being essential to our development of our spiritual selves, that we may move through the world with humility and great love. Thank you so much, Ben.
Thank you so much, Audrey Kitagawa, for being with us both yesterday and today, live in person with such extraordinary offerings. We are so richly blessed by your presence and by your wisdom and by your light and all the things that you are doing around the world through the International Academy for Multicultural Cooperation, so many projects and films and the support that you're giving to so much that's emerging in this moments of birthing a new earth right here on our beloved Mother Earth. Thank you so much, Audrey, for everything you do, and deep bows of gratitude to you.